screen, and I will also be recording my phone screen once I get to the next step. But today's video is basically how to get a $100 promo code for TEMU. Now these codes are limited, however there is quite a few of them, so there's no worries about them running out. This discount code will give you $100 off your TEMU order. So this is a $100 discount code for TEMU, and I'm gonna show you where you have to go to get this code. Now you have to go to giftcardhero.net. So this is where we're gonna have to go, and once you get to this website, giftcardhero.net, you're going to come across this homepage, and I'm going to also show the phone screen here. I'll probably put it on the right of the screen. So we have to click on the TEMU promo codes. It's actually pinned to the top. However, you can press the menu button on your phone or just go to the search bar on your laptop and just type in TEMU up here, and it will find you the page for TEMU promo codes. So we're going to click that. Once you reach this page, you're going to see this section here, TEMU $100 off your order exclusive code, and this is for new as well as existing customers, guys. So you can see this is verified today, and there's a ton of codes left, and these sometimes this number doesn't update, but if you can find this TEMU page on Giftcard Hero, that means there's codes left. So we got to press this reveal promo code button. Now this step will look slightly different on your mobile device, as you can see. However, you need to basically complete 2 of the tasks listed. On desktop it says 1, however I find I usually have to complete 2, so just do 1, and then if it doesn't work, do the second one. So you've just basically got to click on the surveys, answer the questions, and I have to input my email address. You've got to make sure you put in your correct information, guys, because it verifies you are not a robot. So give me 2 minutes, guys, and I'll just complete both of these, and I'll be back once I've done so. Okay guys, so like I said, I just finished both of these surveys. I did one and then went back to this page and checked and it didn't work, so I did the second one. And now if you go back and scroll down, fingers crossed, yes, so you can see it has created my unique and exclusive $100 off TEMU promo code. These codes can only be used once, so once I use this code it's going to be invalid, but you can try to use it, but I guess I'm going to be using this in a minute. So you have to grab your own code, guys, at giftcardhero.net. Once again, that is the website. You can probably see it at the top of the screen as well, and it's actually really easy to save yourself $100. So you just add whatever products you want to the basket, obviously making sure it's worth over $100 because you want to use the maximum potential of the code, and then you just apply that code in the basket and at checkout, and it's going to reduce your order. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and subscribe because it really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.